Hi, how you doing? This is speech recognition program using neural network with back-propagation for training. And here I use exponential damping control for adjusting the variable learning weight and momentum besides using digital system to design the weights. So it is the fastest engine that ever made, just a few seconds for training period with less iteration. As you see here, when using this kind of fruit, apple, banana, kiwi, lime, orange, it is just 54 iteration and less than 1 second here for training period. And when you change it to these digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and run the training, it is 59 iteration and just less than 1 second. If we run it again, the same result. Now let us run the entire program with the 3 stages: feature extraction, training and testing. Feature extraction consumes most of the time comparing with the training process. By the way, this program I named it Cyborg. Now let us go ahead with testing. 0, 1, 3, 2, 0, 4, 1. Now we will change it to the other ways, the fruits, and run the program. Go ahead with testing. Apple, kiwi, lime, banana, apple, orange. Here is another copy of Cyborg program written in Java. As you see, the feature extraction consumes most of the time. As you see, 58 iteration. If we run it again, will give us the same result. Okay, and thank you very much for your attention. Thanks.